Ooh, I like it. Me like it a lot. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I wanted to create a colorful look, but more on the pastel side because I was inspired by spring. Spring is right around the corner and I wanted to do something related to that. So if you want to see how I did this look and what products I used, then keep on watching. Hello, so I'm ready to put makeup on my face. Gotta get ready. I need to run some errands, do a couple of things, so I thought I recorded while I do my makeup. I just want a light base today, so I'm just gonna use concealer. I already put on primer by CHERYLH, the Power Grip. I let that sit for about a minute, and I'm gonna be using the NYX Bear With Me concealer serum. Sometimes when I don't want to use foundation, I use this a little bit all over my face and that's it. I've been loving this sponge. It's by Me To You. It's very good, very bouncy and very soft. Let's put one pump there. And I'm just going to put it in certain areas. I don't need a lot. So I've been seeing a lot lately the whole trend of de-influencing, which is when you talk about products that haven't worked for you or that you don't like or that you don't support anymore and stuff like that. And that seems to be the new trend at TikTok, and now I'm seeing it here on YouTube as well. So is that something that interests you? Because if it does, let me know. I could totally do that. Remember, I buy everything. I don't get no PR from. The only brand that I've gotten PR from is Wicked Sisters Cosmetics. They send me a couple of palettes and that's it. I get nothing. Everything I purchase of makeup related is purchased with my own money. You know that I'm gonna be completely honest. If something is shit, I will say it. If something is good, I will say it. But I really don't understand when people get offended if you don't like something that they like. I don't get that. It's okay if I don't like something and it works good for you and you like it. That's great for you. It's okay. And it could be vice versa. You could hate something and I can like it. Because remember, we all have different tastes and we all have different skin types. So some people may have dry skin, some people have oily skin, some people like more mattifying products, and some people like more dewy stuff. So it's okay if I don't like a product and you love it, because not everything out there is going to work for everybody and not everybody's going to like it. I don't get when people get offended by that. This was what I was looking for, just a light coverage. So really, I just want to focus on my eyes today, not really on my skin. So I recently purchased this e.l.f. putty blush that I tried only once, but I forgot and I set my face with powder and then I used it and it worked great. But I want to use it now that I haven't set my face to see if I see a different result. Let me just find a brush for it. And this is the shade, where is the shade name? Blush Paint. Actually, I do have a bronzer. I do have the putty bronzer. Let me start with that first. This is in shade, I think, Honey Drip. What movies have you seen lately that are good? I saw Knock on the Cabin, I think it's called. It's really good. I didn't expect it to be that good, and it was. It's really, really good. Now I'm gonna use the blush. It's definitely more pigmented when you use it without setting your face first. Clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna set my face with the Revlon Color Stay Blot, and this is in shade 001. I don't know the whole deal with Revlon. I don't know if I know they were struggling and they filed for bankruptcy or something like that, but I don't know what happened with that. So I don't know if they're gonna continue making products, because this is a great powder, especially if you have oily skin. This is like the best out there, and I would love to continue using it. Also, I would love to know if you could let me know at what time you prefer me to upload videos. Do you prefer nighttime, in the afternoon, in the morning? You know what, I checked on my YouTube studio thing that you check your analytics and you check everything there, how your videos are doing, when people click off and stuff like that. And you know what was the suggested time for me to upload a video? 4:30 a.m. Who's gonna upload at that time, and why at that time? Like, I'm so confused. I mean, do people really watch videos on the US side, of course, at 4 in the morning? Because I don't. I'm like asleep at that time, unless you like have a nighttime job or something like that. But still, it's a very odd time they suggested, and I'm like, that's weird. So if you could let me know what you prefer, that would be awesome. Okay, so I was thinking about, I want to start doing something like springy. So I want to work with some light colors, like pastel colors or similar to those, but I don't know what palette to use. Let me just check what I have. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be using this one by Cara Duo. Okay, it's called You Had Me at Aloha, and I think it has the colors that I'm looking for. See, it has those, more of those pastel-y colors, light colors, and I think I'm gonna use that yellow right up there. This one, put that in the front part. Yellows tend not to show up on my skin tone since I'm yellowish, but this one's pretty good. I like this one a lot. I just want something fun and bright today. Then I'm gonna go in with this purple, the outer corner. It looks more pinkish than purple. I'm gonna take a bigger brush and I'm gonna get the lightest purple up here to lighten the edges. I'm gonna deepen this part over here with this blue. See what happens. Because it's gonna mix with that purple, it's gonna create another purple. So this is gonna be quite messy until the end. Take this, it's like a light teal at the lower lash line. Also, let me know if you want me to do videos of makeup that causes an allergic reaction, because I have a lot of those, unfortunately. I'm trying to sort them out because I have a lot of palettes from different brands that I cannot use because they irritate my eyes. I also discovered a lot of eyeliners from certain brands that I can't use because they irritate my eyes. And now I know some lipsticks that I can't use because they give me an allergic reaction to my lips. So I could do a full video talking about or showing you the products that I can't use anymore. I'm still trying to sort them out because I know there's more that I have in my collection and I have to separate that. I keep forgetting and I keep using it, and then my eyes are watery and bothering me the whole day until I take off the makeup, and it's very annoying. I'm gonna bring this low because I want it to be a little bit blown out and connected over here and just make it messy. Been noticing that happening with a lot of indie brands that I've tried, and I need to figure out what's the ingredient that's causing that. That's what I need to figure out. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to this palette by Mora, Daydreams, because I want to use some of these shimmers, which is the yellow one up here and this pink one, because in this palette, the Kara Duo, the shimmers are not good. I've swatched them and they're quite chalky and they don't really pop that much, so I think I'm going to use that one over there for the shimmers. I'll be back to this one for the lower lash line. I already added glitter primer by NYX, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Look how pretty that, oh, that is so pretty. What? Oh, that is nice. Like that. I did not expect that punch, but great. Love that. I'll use the other side of the brush for the other color, the pink one. And I'm gonna put that over here. It's actually much lighter than what it looks in the pan, but still very pretty. Going back with this one to use this one right here for the brow bone, because this is the only one that I found decent in this palette of the shimmers, and I think it's gorgeous. It's like a silver white. I think that this would be a great highlight. I'm gonna take this color right here, concentrate that more on the lower lash line. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. I'm gonna probably use this one to go with the blue. It's by NYX. I like this one a lot and it doesn't irritate my eyes. And I'm gonna pop in some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I added some falsies. I've never tried these before. These are from Cala in the style Fuego, which means fire in Spanish. For eyeliner, I used the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, which is my favorite. And I think I need more blush, so I'm gonna be using the AOA Studio. This is in shade Cherry Blossom. And I think I'm gonna add some highlighter by e.l.f. because the one that I used for the eyeshadow, it was more glittery and chunky and I don't like it as a highlighter. This one's White Gold by e.l.f. And for lips, I'm gonna use this by L'Oreal in shade, that one. I'm not even gonna pronounce it. Mademoiselle Mauve, properly. I know I'm butchering it. I don't know French. Love this. So this is it. This is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I was feeling very springy, Eastery. So I think this looks great for that. It's very pastel with a hint of glitter, with a hint of blue, purple, pink. And I like the heavy blush. For me, this is heavy. I know a lot of people go heavy-handed with blush and this is nothing compared to that. But for me, it is. And I'm kind of liking it. So yeah, I hope everybody has a great day or night whenever you're watching this. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Because I keep Really? Hello, so you ready to put makeup on with me? Where's my sponge? I just wet it. What the I don't know how the hell I left it in the other room. This is in shade Do I want to be a clown today? Yes, I do. And I love them basically, and I love them a lot. Where does my hair look electrocuted?